Hi guys, Elsie here. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in this video guys, as you can see in the title, we have here the Havoc OS version 2.9 Android 9 Pie, and this is 64 bits custom room, and this is also a GSI custom room. So in this video, I will just show you guys what would be the bugs and working features in this room. So the first let's gonna head before talking about the bugs and features, I will just show you guys the settings in this room. So let's just head into the settings. But anyway, this is the bloatware. This room guys has no Google application or G apps included, but I flash the Pico version of G app so that we have here the Play Store and some of the Google services. So if you want to try out this room, I will just link the files that I use in this video. I will put all the links in the description so that you will try out this in your device. So let's head into the settings and about phone. So as I said earlier, Android version is 9. So this is Android 9 Pie, and the security patch level of this custom room guys is quite outdated. It's September 5 2019, and the kernel I use here is Aris kernel RC2, which is treble, and that's all for the about phone. And my first impression in this room guys is this room is very good. This room is very smooth, responsive, and look, it's so smooth guys. And anyways, I use this room as my gaming. I've been doing games or playing games, I think 1 to 2 weeks ago. I play Mobile Legends Bang Bang here, and the graphics is superb, although there are some of the game which is have a frame drops, but the graphics is amazing guys. The graphics is so good in this custom room. So yeah, and the Mobile Legends settings in this custom room guys is high settings. There is no ultra settings for this room, but high is enough in this Havoc OS. So this is not the bloatwares, and also battery backup in this room is very good. It's very good. The battery backup is superb in this custom room, and it lasts I think 12 hours when you're not gaming. Yeah, but when gaming, it plays 5 or 4 to 5 games, Mobile Legends games. So let's not talk about the bugs in this room. So the first bug in this room guys is the offline charging. Since this is a GSI, then the offline charging in this room is broken. You can charge this phone while off, or while the phone is shut down you can charge, because as I said, offline charging is broken in GSI. But there are some of my subscribers saying that there is a fix for that. I think there is a kernel, something like the real kernel, or I forgot what the name. But I haven't tried because I didn't have the link, and maybe you can comment the link of that vendor so that I will try it in my future GSI tutorials. So that is the first bug, the offline charging. And the second bug is the first camera. This camera you can't use this camera because it always says insert an SD card before using the camera. But when I first installed this room, guys, there is no bugs on the camera side, and I just didn't know that. And that other day, the bugs came out. But there is a second camera here, the footage camera, which is working naman yung footage camera na. And also, the third bug is the screen recorder. Some of the recorded files are broken, but some of it are playable. And the fourth bug is... Wait, I'm just finding it. I think there is there is no bug. I think there is three bugs in this room. So that's it for the bugs, and for the features, the working features in this room, guys, is the Wi-Fi is working. As you can see, there's a Wi-Fi here. SIM cards detected. You can use SIM cards in this room. And also the Bluetooth is working. Flashlight is working. Nightlight is working. And also the hotspot is working in this custom room. And also, oh, I forgot, there is a fourth bug. Sometimes unlocking the device is quite delay. So that's considered a bug, but sometimes it's accurate. And another features in this room is the Wi-Fi hotspot, guys. The Wi-Fi hotspot is really working in this room. So as you can see here, I'm gonna try out the Wi-Fi hotspot. And yeah, Wi-Fi hotspot is working in this room. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I upload a new video. See you next video, guys. Have a good day. Bye.